Severe weather is a factor here in Bowling Green. Jonathan Wahl joins us now with a closer look at the preparation for it.
Thanks, TJ. Most of us have experienced severe weather and what happens on campus when it hits. But exactly how prepared are we for the very worst that Mother Nature has to offer? Every spring and fall, severe weather becomes more prominent with the changing of the seasons here in South Central Kentucky.
Our predicting capabilities are so much better today than they were even 5 years ago.
David Oliver is Director of Environmental Health and Science at WKU. His department is responsible for monitoring the weather situation and then making decisions regarding the weather situation.
Between the WKU Police Department and our Department of Environmental Health and Safety, we monitor a variety of informational sources, from National Weather Service to local news media, as well as the meteorology department at the university.
WKU's campus is prepared for the worst, in case the worst actually happens.
In each building we have designated shelter areas that are set up in interior rooms and hallways and restrooms, and we constantly review those to make sure that they're still adequate for the population of the building.
Warren County is covered with what are called COWS, the Community Outdoor Warning System. These are sirens in such public locations as Bowling Green High School that are activated for tornado warnings.
If the COWS are activated, we activate ours. In addition, we use our text messaging system, immediately to notify students, faculty, and staff of that warning.
Sirens and text messages are not the only way to receive the warning. There are no weather alert radios, and there are even smartphone apps that notify based on your location and in relation to the warning polygon. As for students preparing,
I have a few places that I know where to go in case it gets really nasty.
And how does WKU do in relaying the warning?
I think it handles it pretty well. I mean, anytime a tornado warning hits the county, it's shut down. They shut it down pretty quickly.
There are many links in the chain that is the warning system. The more you use, the better informed you'll be. Jonathan Wahl, News Channel 12. The smartphone app is probably the best way to get warnings since it's very specific about location. But the next best way to be warned of severe weather is a no weather alert radio. They can be set to only go off for your county. They are a real lifesaver indeed. Mitchell?
Thanks, Jonathan. Coming up, we have a look on a story on how